Let's talk about EDS. Everyday Carry or EDC. Bukang bibigyan ng mga practitioner, ng prepping, ng survival, ng readiness. That's the common denominator. Pero ever since the term was coined, naging parang masyado ng commercialized ang EDC. Kasi nung araw naman ay way back in the early 1980s and even long before that, yung mga ninuno natin, meron na silang tinatawag na EDC. Yung kanilang jungle bolo, yung mga gamit na kailangan nila sa bukid. Sila actually yung nagpasimuno ng EDC. Pero over the years, nung medyo na commercialized na at na Americanized na yung term, unti-unti nagbago na yung concept ng EDC. But what does EDC truly mean? Ano nga ba yung diwa ng EDC? Ang diwa ng EDC is in the first word, every day. So, ibig sabihin, araw-araw, yun at yun ang dala mo. Now, for those who are first-timers to this particular concept, ano nga ba ang EDC? So, para sa pangkaraniwang tao, andyan yung wallet, andyan yung cellphone, may ballpen, may panyo, and then a carry bag, andyan yung water bottle, etc. Those are items that we carry every day. Pero when we look at the concept of EDC in its purest form, there is what I call the Trinity. So yung tatlong item na bukod sa pangkaraniwan na dinadala natin na wallet, cellphone, relo, ay yung tatlong items na ito, which is mainly something to cut with, something to light with, and something to fix things with. In simple terms, you have a knife, you have a flashlight, and you have a multi-tool. If you were to watch yung mga YouTube videos regarding EDC, mahihilo kayo sa dami ng choices. And fair warning lang para dun sa mga first-timer, if you want to get into this particular lifestyle, ay baka malula kayo kasi ang daming produkto. And each one of those reviewers, kung tawagin, are actually influencers. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng influencer? Di ba sila yung nagbebenta ng samut-saring mga gamit? Anything na pwedeng ibenta, ibebenta nila. And that's the same with the gun world, the EDC world. Anything. Lahat yan, palaging merong bagong produkto na lalabas, palaging merong ibebenta sa inyo as a consumer. Now, for our purposes, ang pag-usapan natin yung totoong diwa ng EDC, which is that one single object na lagi mong daladala or that one single system na lagi mong solid na daladala every single day. Kaya nga siya everyday eh. Merong isang wilderness instructor na ang ganda nung panibagong term na ginamit niya, which is the EDS. So meaning, ito na yung system. But before we go into the system, what is that system? Basically, it consists of the Trinity and a few more items na bubuo dun sa EDS or everyday system ninyo. Now, itong Trinity na pinag-uusapan natin are the items outside of your everyday carry, outside of your everyday items na makakatulong sa atin in extraordinary ways. Halimbawa, ano ba ang benefit ng pocket knife? Ano ba yung benefit ng flashlight? Ano ba yung benefit ng multi-tool? So, the knife, for obvious reasons, para sa malinis na cutting. Marami dyan. Halimbawa ako, instead na pilasin ko yung bag ng potato chips, hihiwain ko ng blade, which is mas maayos yung pagkakabukas ng bag of chips kesa yung pipilasin mo yung gilid, di ba? Nakakaasar pag kami nang gagano. Yung flashlight, even in the daytime, pwede kang gumamit ng flashlight, pwede kang sumilip dun sa madidilim na portion ng kwarto mo, pwede sa ilalim ng mesa, ilalim ng kotse. There are areas in our environment na hindi laging maliwanag, kaya kailangan nyo pa rin ng flashlight. Hindi lang sa gabi ginagamit ang flashlight. And lastly, the multi-tool. Ano ba itong multi-tool? Basically, it could be a pocket knife, it could be something na maraming gamit. Prime example na dyan yung tinatawag na Swiss Army knife. So, marami siyang tools na iba't iba ang silbi. May pambukas na lata, merong kutsilyo. So, kumbaga, isang item na maraming gamit. Or sa Tagalog, MacGyver. Now, let's concentrate on these 3 items kasi ito yung maaring matulungan ko kayo in terms of selection and more importantly, how to carry the Trinity. Kasi again, kung makikinig kayo sa lahat ng influencers ay hindi lang iisa ang ire-recommenda nila na knife, na flashlight, na multi-tool. For as long as may lumalabas na bagong produkto, yun ang ipupush nila sa market, which is for regular people like us, medyo masakit sa bulsa, and at the same time, it's not really practical. And when you study, when you learn about EDC, maririnig nyo yung slogan, 2 is 1 and 1 is none, which is something na hindi ako naniniwala. Hindi ako naniniwala sa konsepto na yun kasi it's a very Americanized concept. Sorry na lang, pasintabi sa mga amboy dyan. Pero hindi talaga eh. The true EDC system, 1 is 1. Bakit? Yung bang mga ninuno natin, even yung grandfather or yung mga tatay natin. For example, yung tatay ko. Isa lang ang pocket knife na dala-dala niya. I remember it was something like early Victorinox. Pero yun lang ang dala niya. Araw-araw. Kaya nga sa kanya ako natuto na, uy, okay pala ang magdala ng knife. Especially gentleman's pocket knife. So doon ako sa kanya natuto. Eventually, nagdala na rin ako rin mismo, meron akong pocket knife all the time. And it was a single item na I carried for so many years before ako nagkaroon ng maayos na Victorinox. And that's the true essence of EDC. One set of items na alam mo, araw-araw dala mo. Why is it so important na isa lang? One of the main reasons is that the human being is a creature of habit. Ngayon, if you practice the true essence of EDC, wala kang makakalimutan. Kasi alam mo na yung Swiss Army knife mo, automatic yan pupunta sa bulsa mo. Yung flashlight mo, automatic ibubulsa mo na kagad. So you develop that discipline just by picking up your EDC items. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip. Kailangan automatic na yan. Ito yung aking knife, ito yung aking flashlight, ito yung aking multi-tool. The point really is automatic na. By instinct, alam mo na. And by doing that, wala kang makakalimutan. Kasi if you've been doing EDC, if you've been doing it the right way for so long, mararamdaman mo na wala yung Swiss Army knife mo. Mararamdaman mo na wala yung flashlight. That's how it is. Pero kung papadala ka sa commercial mentality na 2 is 1, good luck. Pagbukas mo ng drawer mo, nakasalansan lahat ng cool shit mo. Medyo mag-iisip ka pa, ano kaya maganda for today? What's my EDC for today? EDC for today, hindi yun EDC, di ba? Carry of the day yun, hindi yun EDC, utang na loob. But if it's truly EDC, hindi ka na mag-iisip, dampot, pulsa, dampot, pulsa. That's how simple it is. And that's what EDC should be all about. Let's face it, EDC is not like your clothes. Hindi mo kailangan ibagay sa suot mo, sa outfit of the day, yung iyong everyday carry. Hindi, doesn't really work that way. In my case, dahil nagpadala ako sa Ago long ago, nakaipon na rin ako ng gamit. And I tell you, it was an expensive journey dahil kung ano yung makursunadahan kong bago or nagkakaroon ako ng craving for something new. In all honesty, nasa dalawa yan. Either gusto kong dalhin lahat or sasama naman yung loob ko kapag iniiwan ko lang sa drawer yung mga gamit. So, what's the point, diba? Now, let's talk about the EDS or yung everyday system. So, dahil system na ito, this will be a collection of the Trinity and other things na kasama ng Trinity mo. Andiyan na yung water bottle, yung first aid kit, notebook, cellphone, wallet, watch. And since it's a system, if you already know what your system is, then pwede ka magpalit-palit ng gamit depending on ano yung suot mo for the day, depending on saan ka pupunta, and so on and so forth. Now, ang nangyari sa akin over the years is nakaipon ako ng selection of tools and items na depending kung saan ako pupunta, because as a reporter, I find myself traveling. So sumasakay ako ng eroplano, dadaan ako sa metal detector, sumasakay ako ng LRT, MRT, I walk into hotels, etc., etc. So, I tailored my system to fit wherever I needed to go. Medyo mahirap din for me kasi araw-araw bawal magdala ng EDC items dun sa mga pinupuntahan ko. Which is why I had to pick items that are considered polite, or pag alam mo naman hindi ka pwede magdala ng kutsilyo or multi-tool, huwag ka na magdala. Ganun lang naman kasimple yon. But having been a working reporter and a photojournalist, I needed some things that will help me get by in a day. So kaya ako nagkaroon ng collection ng mga gamit. Now, if you had the budget, then okay lang, sige, go for it. Nobody's stopping you. But for those who are interested and are getting into this for the first time, I'm just telling you not to make the same mistake that I did. And over the years, pag nakita nyong solid na yung EDC or EDS setup ninyo, there's nothing like it. Never ka makakalimot ng gamit. Kahit anong gawin mo, kahit anong pagmamadali mo, alam mong nandun lahat ng gamit mo because sa araw-araw na ritual mo, kabisado mo na by heart. Gagalaw na lang ng kusa yung kamay mo, magbubulsa na lang ng gamit, left and right. So what now are the items that I usually carry? Sa buhay ko ngayon, hindi ko na kailangan pumasok sa mga restricted areas, or if ever, I hardly ever find myself in restricted areas, not like before na hotel, government offices, and presidential events. So totally no. Pero ngayon, since medyo maluwag-luwag na ang panahon, as far as I'm concerned, I carry 2 variations of a setup every single day. Now, of course, I have a pocket knife. Disclaimer lang, this thing is not for self-defense. I don't consider a folding blade suitable for self-defense. Kailangan ko lang isang sturdy na cutting tool, especially when it comes to my work, which is in the emergency medical services. Nagamit ko na to pamputol ng clothing. Hindi naman ako nakapagdala ng trauma shears at the time. So I use this. Next, I have a flashlight, and this particular flashlight, the reason why I carry it every day is because of its low intensity beam. Now, ang primary gamit ng flashlight for me these days is pang pupil check ng pasyente. And this is my latest and most expensive purchase. And it's one that has very low intensity. Now, why is it important to have a low intensity flashlight? For me, primarily because of my work. Number 2, pag merong low intensity beam yung iyong flashlight, mas tatagal ang baterya. Ever since napukaw ang kaisipan ko, hindi na ako bumibili ng mga high-intensity flashlights. Why? Because it's a waste of money and it's a waste of power. Sobrang takaw sa baterya ng mga high-intensity flashlights. So if you meet someone who will sell you high-intensity flashlights, sa totoo lang, I've been carrying a flashlight since 1982. Hindi ko naisip or hindi pa ako nangailangan na sobrang taas na lumens for it to be useful. So, AA or AAA flashlight with a low intensity setting. That's my recommendation. Now, for the multi-tool, I have 2 options. One of my options is a broken down Leatherman Micra. Ngayon, kaya ko to dinismantle kasi wala na silbi yung gunting. Yun ang problema sa model na to. Madali mapurol yung gunting, which is why binaklas ko na and took out just the tools that I need for everyday normal tasks. And yun ang nilagay ko dito. So, meron siyang screwdriver, bottle opener, and nail file, which is yun ang mga gamitin ko. And it's a very small package na hindi siya pansinin, hindi siya mainit sa mata. So kung papasok ng mall and this is the only thing I have, then hindi siya kulang. Sapat na para sa akin ito. The next multi-tool option is a simple Swiss Army knife. Ito na yung para sa akin mula pa noon nung una ako nagkaroon nito hanggang sa ngayon, which is more than 22 years. This remains to be one of my most carried and truly EDC items. Na pag pupunta ako sa mga lugar na hindi pwede magdala ng locking blade at kahit ito lang ang tanging dala ko, then it's more than enough for me. It has the basic blade combination tool. Meron siyang corkscrew na nilagyan ko ng micro screwdriver and it has that Victorinox pin. Bumbu ka na doon. Now, if you're starting out with EDC, it's so important to think about cost. Locking folders like this ay medyo mahal. Yun nga lang, ilang dekada akong nangarap bago ako nagkaroon nito. Kaya nung binili ko siya, sulit na yung 7,000 pesos. Regalo ko sa sarili ko nung birthday ko a few years ago. The average cost of a good folder would be anywhere from 1,500 to 3,000. So medyo mahal ang locking folder na at the end of the day, yun lang naman ang gamit niya. Isang blade lang. And that's all you have. I don't recommend na ipang prying nyo ito, ipang pokpok or whatever. Wag naman, utang na loob. Ang mahal nito para gawin mo yun. So what's your alternative? Siyempre, ang pinakamagandang alternative na yung Swiss Army knife because aside from having a blade, you have other tools in this small package na pwede mong magamit. And the average cost of something like this, a Victorinox waiter, would be less than 1,000 pesos. So, okay ka na rin. Kumbaga, you have a 5-in-1 or 6-in-1 if you get the bigger Swiss Army knives na medyo 2,000 to 3,000 ang cost, sulit na sulit ka pa rin. For the flashlight, huwag kayong bibili ng ganito kamahal. This thing is around 3,000. It's more than 3,000 pesos. Pero may mga flashlight na nabibili na 400 to 500 pesos lang, which can give you the same low intensity beam and at least 2 or 3 other modes. Advantage pa, AA or AAA yung battery. So, magtiyaga lang kayong maghanap. Maraming magagandang gamit out there na hindi mahal. And more importantly, if you're going to spend good money on EDC items, hanggang dito ay nahabol ako ng aeroplano. If you're going to spend good money on EDC items, okay na rin bumili na kayo na pinaka tingin nyong affordable sa inyo. It doesn't matter if it's 1,000 pesos or 3,000, 5,000. The thing is, if you're going to spend good money, spend it on a good item. Hindi yung bili kayo ng bili ng marami. Doesn't really work. And take it from me. Minsan magsisisi ka rin na sana nagastos mo na lang on other things yung pinambili mo ng cool shit mo. But anyway, your EDC or EDS, everyday system, doesn't need to be expensive. Pwede kayong bumili ng second-hand items, pwede kayong bumili ng mga bargain items. The whole point here is, if you decide to get a good knife, a good flashlight, multi-tool, keep it with you always. Okay lang if you had only one. One is one. Remember that. Ngayon, kung meron kayong extra, sige, why not? Bili kayo ng marami. But the point is, once you learn to appreciate the one is one concept, there's nothing like it. Yun ang truly EDC. Solid yung system mo and you will have it every day and you'll never forget about it. And it will be useful to you for decades to come. So ayan, medyo napahaba yung kwentuhan natin. That's been the long and the short of it. This has been Absabando from the Manila Sentinel Studios. EDC is every day.